So you've got two players there, both from the Trinidad and Tobago national team playing up against each other.
Gear up for the game. The Earthquakes are open for business at the Oakridge Mall. Stop by the kiosk presented by Gift to pick up all the latest Quakes gear on your wish list. That's at the Oakridge Mall. Blossom Hill in southwest San Jose. Last time these two teams met was part of the U.S. Open Cup back in 2012. Earthquakes 1-0 victory in the fourth round at Caden Stadium at Stanford. And back in 2012, get to the goal scorer in just a second here. Minnesota United's best opportunity thus far. Whipped in and headed away by Florian Youngworth. And this is Javier Hika. Nice opportunity there for the Loons.
Yeah, they spread the field out quite well when they get the ball, Minnesota. Good cross in. Youngworth in the right position, the right place again, getting a good clearance on it. He's been very consistent, Florian Youngworth. I've been impressed with the way he's settled into the Quakes lineup. For me, alongside Nicholas, probably been the two.
Stop